Is your Spectrum modem's voice telephony light stuck? This typically means your VoIP phone service isn't fully activated or configured. This light, along with others like online, indicates an incomplete setup, preventing full internet and phone functionality. The modem's EMTA or embedded multimedia terminal adapter handles phone lines over the internet and isn't properly connecting to Spectrum's servers. Provisioning is the process where Spectrum assigns IP addresses, DNS settings, and VoIP credentials. This process is failing, causing the stuck light. As of October 15, 2025, this issue persists within Spectrum's HFC networks due to signal interference or back-end provisioning delays. We will explain how to resolve this. First, check your signal levels via your modem's diagnostics page, usually accessible at 192.168.100.1. Downstream and upstream power should be between a 15 to plus 15 dB MV and SNR above 30 dB. Low signal levels can cause provisioning timeouts. Try a hard reset. Unplug your modem for 60 seconds and plug it back in. Use the Spectrum mobile app for remote reboots and AI-powered troubleshooting. Outdated firmware can also cause issues, but updates are usually automatic. If you recently switched modems, MAC address cloning from your previous device might help. Unplugging the phone line, rebooting the modem, and then replugging the phone line can also resolve the issue in some cases. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for professional assistance as they can remotely access and update VoIP servers.